Red Rain, India, 2001. In 2001, a strange event occurred in the Kerala region of India. The rain turned red. The phenomenon lasted for several weeks and left locals and scientists puzzled. Research later revealed that the red color of the rain was due to the presence of microscopic algae and other organic particles in the atmosphere. These organisms, carried by the wind from distant regions, mixed with water vapor and caused the rain to appear red. The red rain event was not harmful, but it sparked curiosity and further studies into the unique atmospheric conditions that led to this unusual phenomenon.